Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Amazon gift card balance to a bank account. All right, let's begin. Start by opening the Amazon mobile app. Tap the three lines in the bottom right corner and select Amazon Pay. Inside Amazon Pay, you will see your Amazon Pay balance. Scroll down until you find the option called Digital Gold. This method works because Amazon allows you to buy and sell gold using your gift card balance, and the amount from selling the gold is sent directly to your bank account. Tap Digital Gold and purchase gold using your Amazon gift card balance. Once the purchase is complete, go back and select the Sell Gold option. You will see the gold quantity you purchased. Enter the amount you want to sell and confirm the sale. After the sale is processed, the money is transferred to your linked bank account. You can withdraw it or simply leave it in the account. There's usually a small fee for buying and selling gold, but this method is one of the simplest ways to convert your Amazon gift card balance into cash. So that's basically how you can transfer Amazon gift card balance to a bank account. That's it for this video. Thanks.